Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. We have our first booster box for Star Wars Unlimited Shadows of the Galaxy, and let's get straight into it. I'm going to open half the box on this video, half on the next video, just because I don't want them to go too long. And so let's get stuck into it. Right, 12 and 12, so let's go the left side. I'm feeling lucky on the left side for the first video. There we are. Let's see, and let me move this box out of the way. So I'm going to split this into two piles so they don't fall over. And let's get into it. Now, I do know that there's meant to be the same pull rates as before in Spark of the Rebellion. So let's see how we get on. And Bossk is our first leader. Maz Kanata's Castle. And I'm just going to skim through the commons and a hyperspace Cloud Rider to begin. Valiant Assault Ship, Lurking TIE Phantom, Spark of Hope, and Cobb Vanth as the rare. Very nice indeed. And an uncommon foil, Dengar. Very nice. This one is a Lando. And we have a hyperspace Gar Saxon. As always, I'm only interested in collecting a base version of the set. So any hyperspace foils or hyperspace foils are going to be up for grabs. In fact, I think I might have just shown that there is a hyperspace foil at the back of this one. Top Target, Bo-Katan Kryze. I definitely know I need this one. And Lando's Millennium Falcon. Lovely. Where are the uncommons? They're there. And Val as the rare. And a Smuggler's Starfighter. That is a beautiful card. The foiling on it is really something there. That is really nice. Lovely. And obviously, if we get a showcase, that would be amazing. But with the rarity of them, I am not expecting one. Hondo Arnaka, Jabba's Palace, Enforced Loyalty, Brutal Traditions. That's a cool looking card. And a hyperspace Spare the Target. Very nice indeed. And our first legendary, and what a legendary to open up with, the Darksaber. This, I do think, is going to be one of those cards that is going to define this set, just because the artwork is really cool as well. And Frontier Trader as the foil. So, as I was saying before, the pull rates on this are meant to be the same, so hoping for at least 3 legendaries, a couple of hyperspace foils, Rey and Deathwatch Hideout. Super Commando Squad, that's a pretty cool card. Cool looking card. I'd like to see that hyperspace, even if it's not for my personal collection. So, Chrysanthemum, Mercenary Gunship, and Jetpack. That's an awesome looking card. Again, I'd like to see that full art as well, hyperspace. And the rare is Dr. Evazan, and a rare foil, Ruthlessness. That's a nice looking card. Very, very nice. that. Hyperspace Jabba's Palace. Bats Back Underworld Thugs. One being Hyperspace Salacious Crumb. Midnight Repairs and Armed to the Teeth. Heroic Resolve. Very nice indeed. And a Gamorrean Retainer foil. So halfway through, roughly, I think, this side of the box. Gar Saxon, Navarro City. There you go. Wasn't sure if I had. So this is another reprint, Cargo Juggernaut. This is just listed as a common. So they are in the set as well. Grey Squadron Y-Wing, very nice indeed. 4 Lom, Commission, and Ketsu Ono. Inspiring Mentor, and Spark of Hope, uncommon foil. Very nice indeed. Yeah, so we are now halfway through this side of the pack. Hyperspace Han Solo, very nice, very cool artwork. Remnant Science Facility. Do like that Hunting Nexu artwork, it's really, really nice. I do think the artwork has stepped up a little bit from the last set. The last set was good, don't get me wrong, but just there's something about it. I think they look a lot nicer in Hyperspace. Ketsu Ono and Emphas Nest. And Lom Pike as the rare. And then, I've just seen I've got a Hyperspace in here. Yeah, I either didn't put it there or it slipped out. Yeah, I do think they've really stepped up their game with the artwork. I think it suits the Hyperspace format a lot better. Cad Bane, a very good leader. Coronet City. Clan Challenges, that is a busy card. That is a very busy card. Reckless Gunslinger. Sundari Peacekeeper, Embo and Guild Target. And Dryden Voss. So you would have seen I pulled a foil Dryden Voss. I can now replace it with a base version and Rokai Gunship. So 2 legendaries so far. Fennec Shand. Again, very good leader. Awesome character as well. Navarro City, Hyperspace. Spare the Target. Privateer Crew. Toro Calican. And Omega as the rare. I'm very, very excited for the Bad Batch to be in this set. And then Smuggler's Aid as well. Very nice indeed. So far, I think I've got Crosshair and Echo. Obviously now adding... And Hunter is one of the leaders as well. So I don't think I've got Hunter as a leader yet. So hopefully this box will bring that to complete the team. And Wrecker as well. I think Wrecker is a rare, so we will see on how I go pulling that. Clan Saxon Gauntlet, Headhunting, Bounty Posting, Hotshot DL44 Blaster. And look at that, Hyperspace Foil Jabba's Rancor. That is a phenomenal card. Really, really nice. High cost, high attack, high defense. But reading the front of the card, if you control Jabba the Hutt, this unit costs 1 less to play. So that makes it a little bit easier to get it on the field, on the mat. Kylo Ren as a rare leader. Very nice indeed. Jabba's Palace. And I think I can see something at the back here as well. Hyperspace. What a pack this is turning out to be. Hyperspace. Jabba's Rancor base. Very nice indeed. Matches the mat I'm using at the moment for this set. Cripple Authority. The Marauder. There we go. Adding to my bad batch. Marauder as a rare. And Hylabun Enforcer as Hyperspace foil. And the last pack for this video. Don't forget, like the video, click subscribe, tick the little bell icon. It really does help the channel grow, and I want to reach as many people as I can with these videos. Let me know if you want me to do anything as well in terms of attempting to build decks. I'm not an expert at that by any stretch of the imagination, but I will certainly put together some stuff and look to go through how the game is working, how the different things are working. Frozen in Carbonite, Kirax Heavy Fighter, Fen Rao, very nice, and Pre Vizsla as the rare, very nice indeed, and a foil Fen Rao. So yeah, that's not bad for one half of a box. Hopefully get to repeat that and get 4 out of this one. So 2 legendaries, 2 hyperspace foils, not bad. A lot added to the collection there as well. Really, really good. And yeah, drop a comment, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. May the Force be with you.